This 2023 Grand Design Momentum M-Class 351 Mega Siemens is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Milford, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 39 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleep 7, external shower, spare tire kit, TV, LP detector, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, skylight, water heater, stovetop burner, slide out, and 140 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Momentum M-Class 351 Mega Siemens is 14,700 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.